Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and for this video let's draw the Gumball Machine from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this Gumball Machine, and to begin we're going to draw his mean brow. So we're going to draw one here. Give it a nice little arc. And then on the other side, it's going to be a little bit smaller. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to give it some thickness. So I'm just going to start just in the middle somewhere. Just going to give that thickness there and then a little bit here. Okay, so that pretty much finish off the brow. So, and then after that, I'm going to draw the nose here first. Just draw a little circle for his nose. Okay, and then now we can draw his eyes. So I'm gonna start on this one. So we're gonna draw two little kind of bracket like this. And then on the bottom of the eye, we're gonna go this way. Okay, so that's actually his little cheek. So on this side, we can actually start with the cheek first. Okay, and then now we can draw on the eye. And then we can finish it off. So let's, little angle right there. Little angle, because it's kind of looking down, so let me shade it in so we can see the eye much better. Okay, so then from there we're going to move on to his mouth. So from here we're going to give this little grin here. This is actually going to be the corner of his mouth. And then from there, right underneath the nose, I want you to draw a little bit of a curve like this. And then we're gonna curve it back up into that curve. So on this side, we're gonna curve it back up. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of his lip. So now we can draw in his teeth. So just right here, just draw two little lines like this. Just kind of go all the way across. And now we can draw his teeth. So we can start from the middle. One little line, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw in his mouth. So we're just gonna come down. Two lines, just come straight down. And then now we're gonna draw the bottom teeth. So we're gonna come across and we're gonna continue this curve a little bit. Just kind of close it off. And now we can draw in the teeth. 1, 2, 3. And then his tongue is gonna be easy, so it's just gonna be two little curves in here. 1, 2. So now we're gonna draw the circle, and it could be a little bit tricky. So we're gonna start here. Just gonna draw one little curve because it's close to the eyebrow. And then we're gonna come out over this eyebrow. And you could kind of just stop there first because we wanna draw it in the bottom, just so that we know how far we're gonna go down. So from there, now we can just kind of connect as best as you can. Just try to draw a nice little curve to finish out the circle. And if you want to, you can always sketch it in with pencil first. And then here we're going to draw this little highlight. So draw two little lines and just kind of close it off. Okay. So now we have his head, so we're going to go up. This is the top, the little cap, and then just another little circle on the top. Okay, so now we're gonna come down this way. It's a little, I guess could be his neck. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the body, so we're gonna come down. Just come down a little bit. And we're gonna draw a circle, just kind of like a half circle for now. I know this part gets a little bit trickier. Okay, and then from there we're gonna come down here and draw a circle. And this is gonna be the little dial that you turn. So I'm gonna curve this way, and then for the other one we're gonna curve up. Okay, now we can finish up the circle. So we're just gonna come down just as best as you can again, just kind of drawing the circle. And then we're gonna give this circle a little bit of dimension to it. So draw a curve like that. And then there's gonna be a little circle here. Right, that's where the gumball comes down. Draw a little arc in there, and I'm gonna shade this in so we can see it better. Okay, and then from there we're gonna move down to his body. So we're gonna try to continue this curve here, and it's gonna arc a little bit. So it's gonna arc back this way, and on this one as well, we just try to continue it. Just gonna have it arc back this way. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off. I'm gonna draw a little cap here. Okay, so that's pretty much his body, so it's really easy, right? So now we're gonna draw his legs, and it's gonna be pretty easy. So right here, just try to draw like a little angle like this. And then after that, just give it some thickness. Close it off. Now I'm gonna draw his shoes. Bracket. Close it off. And we're gonna go up. This is gonna be his heel. We're gonna come down. And then we're gonna draw a big curve like this. This is actually the front of the shoes. Okay, and then we're just gonna close it off. Now for the other side, so we're gonna go same thing. We're just gonna draw a little angle like this. Gonna give it some thickness. Close it off. Bracket. Close that off. And then his heel. This time we're gonna come all the way down. So kind of like leading up to that distance. And then here we're gonna draw that one big little bump here. Connect that. And we're just gonna connect this. And then on this body, we almost forgot, there's some lines here. So we're just gonna draw a few lines. And that's it for this Gumball Machine from Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.